Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unlocking the secrets to achieving that youthful, radiant glow we all crave in 2024. Are you ready to transform your skincare routine and shine like never before? Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk ingredients. If you haven't already, it's time to get acquainted with vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and retinol. Vitamin C is your go-to for brightening and evening out skin tone. Hyaluronic acid, think hydration powerhouse. It's like a tall glass of water for your skin. And retinol, the ultimate anti-aging hero, tackling fine lines and wrinkles like a pro. These ingredients are must-haves in your skincare arsenal. Next, let's get into the groove of a daily skincare routine. Start your morning with a gentle cleanser, followed by a vitamin C serum. Remember, it's all about that glow. Moisturize with a product packed with hyaluronic acid to lock in hydration, and don't forget your sunscreen. Protect that beautiful canvas. At night, cleanse again, apply retinol, and finish off with a rich moisturizer. Consistency is key, my friends. Now let's spill the tea on some top-rated beauty products. I've done the research, and these are the gems you need to know about. From serums to moisturizers, I'm highlighting the best-selling and most highly rated products on Amazon. Trust me, these are the game changers beauty enthusiasts swear by for youthful skin. Feeling crafty? Let's explore some must-have beauty product like Active Science Neck Firming Cream, natural anti-aging facial moisturizer with retinol, collagen, and hyaluronic acid. Day and night anti-wrinkle hydrating that you can order from Amazon. Like the popular known Paula's Choice Skin, perfecting 2% BHA liquid salicylic acid exfoliant, gentle facial exfoliator for blackheads. Also the viral CeraVe Anti-Aging Retinol Serum Vertical Bar, cream serum for smoothing fine lines and skin brightening vertical bar with retinol, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ceramides. It's a hydration balm. How about a soothing cold face eye mask? Ice pack. Reduce face puff, dark circles, gel beads. Hot heat. Cold compress pack. Face SPA for women sleeping, pressure, headaches, skin care, post laser care. These beauty products are perfect for boosting your skin's radiance without breaking the bank. But wait, there's more. Your lifestyle can significantly impact your skin's health. Drink plenty of water, eat a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, and get enough sleep. Stress less because a calm mind reflects on your skin. Healthy habits equal healthy skin. It's that simple. Before I wrap up, here's a quick recap. Essential ingredients, a solid daily routine, top-rated products, and healthy lifestyle tips. Follow these and you'll be well on your way to that youthful, radiant glow in 2024. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest beauty tips and skincare secrets. Take control of your well-being. Our product is your ultimate self-care companion. Don't wait, treat yourself today. Click the link on my YouTube page to start shopping now. Thanks for watching, beauties. Let's continue this journey to radiant, youthful skin together. See you in the next video.